Hello squad members, welcome and welcome back to another video. Welcome to another vlogmas video, guys. And if this is your first time, you already know what to do. Subscribe and click on the notification box so you can be notified for all of our good videos over here. So in today's video, I want to share with you this delicious, yummy, satisfying Zobo drink. Okay, so tell me, what are you actually thinking of serving your guests for this festivity? It's almost Christmas. What are you thinking of? Are you going to be buying carton of malt, carton of Coke and Fanta? See guys, don't do that. Okay, let me show you this very interesting and satisfying, refreshing drink that all of your guests, your neighbors, everybody will love. Even your kids, see, they are going to finish this in one round. So guys, let's go. As you can see, I've cleaned my apple and I'm just dicing them because I'm going to be blending this. I did remove the back. You can go ahead and remove it if you like, but what's the need? You won't be using the shaft anyway. You just boil it and sift it later, Abby. So now I'm done cutting them in bits. I'm just going to blend this up. I will be blending with some water because I'm using the water to make the juice. I'll be juicing the apple. I'll be juicing out the apple. Yeah. Okay, let me blend and I'll be back. Okay. So guys, I'm done blending my apples and I've sifted it. I've separated the water. Yeah, this juice I'll be using later, but for now, let's go ahead and wash our Zobo leaf and yeah, just put it in the pot. We'll add all of the ingredients needed to boil this and we'll proceed to the rest of the video. So I'm done washing my leaf and I just rinse it anyway. It's not very dirty. It's not dirty at all. So I added it to a pot of water and now I've added my apples shafts, yeah, the rest of the apples, and this is my ginger. I'm adding a bit. I like it with a lot of ginger, but because I don't want to kill the taste of the apples, so I'm doing a minimal. Okay, and also for my cloves, I'm adding a little as well because I'm not making a lot of Zobo. I'm just making a little. Like, there's no measurement for this Zobo I'm making because it's like the leftover Zobo I have, and I really need to show you guys this recipe because of how good it is. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to stir that and put it on the stove, allow it to boil to like when it's well washed, you will see it. Okay, so now our Zobo is boiled, is ready. I'm not going to boil this for the second time. Remember, I'm making just a little, and as you can see, the water is not very thick, it's light, so it's well washed. I'm just going to press it out to make sure I get all of my juice out. So yeah, I'm adding more water so I can get it cleaned enough, and yeah, I'm just going to continue sieving until everything is out, and I'll dispose the shaft. So we've gotten all of the juice out from the leaf, and yeah, we are making apple zobo. I'm going to be using this apple sweetener. Like, this is really nice. Okay, so I'm going to use 1.5 because I look at the quantity of the zobo I have in the bowl. It's only 1.5 that I can use. Okay, so if you're making more, you can just eyeball it. Guys, trust me, I'm going to leave like the recipe for more than this, like a particular measurement, in the description box, so do well to check. I'm only using random measurement because of the quantity I'm making, and because I know what I want. Like, I can taste it and know when to stop and all of that. So go ahead and check the description box. You will see exact measurement there. And guys, you really want to try something like this for your Xmas celebration. Okay, just make something like this, 20 to 25, even 50 containers, and put in your refrigerator. Whoever that you give it to is really going to appreciate it because it's nice, it's homemade, and it's really relaxing. Trust me, you will love it. So I'm adding 1.5. I don't know why this particular sweetener is always coming stiff, but yeah, we can do with it. That is why I'm adding it to the zobo when it's hot, so that it can melt completely. You don't want to end up drinking your zobo and you're feeling some lumps in it. So I added it while my zobo is still steaming hot, so I can get it well melted. So this other one happened to be a bit powdering, so I'm just adding it like that, and I'm going to be keeping the other half for later use. Okay, so yeah, that is it. That's what I'm adding. And for more sweetening or juice, I'm going to be adding my zobo juice. Remember, I kept zobo juice that I'll be adding, so I'm going to add that, and yeah, give it a stir and allow this to cool completely. And yeah, we'll be back to see what this look like. Okay. So I left my zobo for some time to allow it completely cool, and now it's cool. And of course, you want to give it a final sieve, okay, just to be sure there's no lumps. Like when you're drinking, you're actually drinking a juice other than having some lumps in your mouth. So as you can see, this is well sieved. You can see the very little shaft that we got from it. And now our zobo is ready to be refrigerated. I'm going to pack in my containers. This is not for sale, this is just for you guys. Yeah, I actually made this video for you guys, and I'm going to be drinking it, so I'm using my already used containers. Okay, so I'm just going to portion this in my containers and put in my refrigerator. Guys, this thing tastes so good, it's so nice. Imagine how it tastes when it was warm, then imagine again how it will taste when it's very chilled. This is so good. So you might want to make this around the 20th or the 21st of December, just so you can enjoy it fully well with your family without any hassle on the Xmas day. Just go ahead and make this. It's really pocket friendly. Okay, you don't need too much. It's just your apples, your zobo leaf, and yeah, ginger and cloves. You don't need too much, and this is going to save you a lot. Imagine, do you know how much malt costs now? Imagine you giving someone malt and they are not even appreciative of it because it's something they can get anywhere. But give them this zobo drink and they are going to love you and ask for more even. So thank you so much, guys. This is everything, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in the containers. And yeah, it tastes amazing. Let me say that. Okay.
Oh, gee, my bro, I'm sorry. It's not money, don't call me. It's been a long way coming. It no go make sense if you don't know the journey. I do, I promise, mommy. Bad man got no worries. Just like yesterday, mama tell me, say